Hey guys, so let's do a paper squishy doll. Yeah, so my friend is calling me. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell her name in every video, like Cassie or Abel. Okay, we're friends, okay? We're friends. So let me just get all my paper squishies out. Okay, so since I live in South Africa, I made 100 rand. I know it's not realistic. Then I made my favorite chips, Pringles. Especially the green one I like, but I just made the original quickly. I made a needle and ice cube. I'm gonna make a bigger one. And yeah, you guys just know these. Oh wait, I have more. Sorry, okay. Where the heck are they? I cannot find them. Oh, here's they. Okay, so I made the wrong one. And yeah, that's all. Bye guys. Sleep tight. Good night.